Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the computation of taxable gratuity under section 10, subsection 10. Kindly watch the video till the end, like it, share among your friends, and subscribe the channel. If you already subscribed the channel, kindly ignore. If you have any comments, please put your comments in the comment box. Now, let's move to the whiteboard. This is a problem on computation of exempted and taxable gratuity. So I have taken a problem for the year which has appeared for 2015 of Rani Chemistry. The problem is like this. Mrs. Revati, let me stretch here. Mrs. Revati received rupees 3 lakhs as gratuity on her retirement on 30th September 2019. She was working in a private firm. At the time of retirement, she was getting per month rupees 10,000 as basic salary and rupees 5,000 as dearness allowances, of which 75% of it forms part of salary for service benefits. She has served for 25 years and 8 months. She is not covered by Payment of Gratuity Act. Calculate exempted gratuity for assessment year 2021. So now let us discuss this problem here. So when we go through this problem, we can come to know that the assessee is not covered under the Payment of Gratuity Act of 1972 here. So she is working in a private firm, so that's why she is a non-government employee. So for this purpose, first we need to find out salary here. So salary for gratuity equals to basic plus DA if it is retirement benefit, plus commission if it is based on the percentage on the turnover achieved by the employee during the previous year. So now here she is not covered under the Payment of Gratuity Act. So we should take the average salary here. There is no change in her salary in the past 10 months preceding to the month of retirement here. So the average salary will be here, the monthly salary itself, rupees 10,000 plus 75% of rupees 5,000 is the basic. So now when we simplify here, we get rupees 10,000 plus rupees 3,750. So that's equals to rupees 13,750 is the salary for the purpose of gratuity here. So now let us write down here computation of exempted and taxable gratuity of Mrs. Revati for the assessment year 2021, list of following is exempt from tax. So actual gratuity received. So actual gratuity received, which is given the problem as rupees 3 lakhs here. So rupees 3 lakhs. Then maximum or as notified by the act here. So which is now for this assessment here rupees 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. Then half of average salary for completed years of service. Completed average salary here for completed years of service based on the average salary drawn. So that's equals to, so here 1 by 2 into rupees 13,750 into, so though she has come put in 25 years and 8 months of service, the fractional service should be ignored here. So 25 years, that's equals to rupees 1,71,875. So therefore exempted gratuity among these, whichever is the least, so 3 lakh or 20 lakh or 1,71,875. So that's equals to rupees 1,71,875. Taxable gratuity equals to actual minus exempted. So actual gratuity, which is given in this problem as rupees 3 lakhs. So 3 lakh minus rupees 1,71,875. So that's equals to here rupees 1,28,125 rupees is taxable gratuity in this problem here. So the fractional service is to be ignored as the employee is not covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act here. Thank you. It is a problem on computation of exempted and taxable gratuity when an employee is covered under the Payment of Gratuity Act of 1972. This is a question which has appeared for the year 2014. So the problem is like this. Mr. Let me stretch this one here. Let me stretch here. Mr. Gopi, an employee of X Limited, retired in March 2020 after serving for 35 years 9 months. He received rupees 1 lakh as gratuity from the company under Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. His monthly salary on the date immediately preceding the date of preceding the date of retirement was rupees 4,160. Find out the exempted and taxable gratuity. So now let us understand this problem here. So the assessee is covered under the Payment of Gratuity Act of 1972 here. Then his monthly salary was rupees 4,160 rupees, and he has received a gratuity of rupees 1 lakh. So now let us work out this problem here. So in this problem we have given directly the salary, so we need not go for computing the meaning of salary for the purpose of gratuity in this problem here, because we have given a consolidated salary as rupees 4,160 here. So now computation of exempted and taxable gratuity of Mr. Gopi for the assessment year 2020-21. So list of the following is exempt from tax. So actual gratuity received is rupees, which is given in this problem as rupees 1 lakh. Then maximum, which is specified by the act here, it is rupees 20 lakhs for this assessment year. So 20 lakhs then 15 days salary for completed years of service based on the last salary drawn by the employee. So now here 15 days salary should be taken by taking 26 days as the working days. So 15 by 26 into rupees 4,160. Then he has put in totally 35 years and 9 months. So any fraction of service more than 6 months should be taken as to the next year. So in this problem it is 36 years. So that's equals to rupees 86,400. 86,400. So least among these three is 86,400. So therefore exempted gratuity equals to rupees 86,400. Taxable gratuity equals to actual minus exempted. So actually we have received is given as rupees 1 lakh. So 1 lakh minus rupees exempted here is 86,400. So the difference here is it will be 13,600. So rupees 13,600. So this is the taxable gratuity which will be included in his income from salary. Thank you. So this is a problem on computation of exempted and taxable gratuity. So this is a question which is appeared for the year 2012 of Ranicham University. The problem is like this here. Let me stretch this one here. Mr. Ramesh received rupees 4 lakhs as gratuity on his retirement on 31st March 31st March 2020, he was working in Reliance Company Limited, at the time of retirement. Let me correct the spelling of working here. So at the time of retirement, he was getting rupees 10,000 per month. He was getting rupees 10,000 per month as basic and rupees 5,000 per month as DA, of which 75% of it forms part of salary. He has served for 26 years. Calculate taxable gratuity for the assessment year 2021 if he is covered under Payment of Gratuity Act of 1972. So now let us discuss this problem here. So the employee is covered under the Payment of Gratuity Act of 1972 here. So even the salary remains same in the past 10 months here. So he has received a gratuity of rupees 4 lakhs. So we need to first find out the meaning of salary here. So solution: salary for gratuity. Equals to basic plus DA if it is RB plus commission if it is based on the percentage. So now let us take the basic salary, which is given as rupees 10,000 here, plus, so DA is 75% of rupees 5,000. So when you simplify here, you get rupees 10,000 plus rupees 3,750. So the total of the salary will be 13,750. So now let us compute here. Computation of exempted and taxable gratuity of Ramesh for the assessment year 2021. Least of the following is exempt. So actual gratuity received rupees 4 lakhs. Maximum as notified by the Act, which is given as rupees 20 lakhs here. So rupees 20 lakhs. Then we should take 15 days salary. 15 days salary for completed years of service. Based on last salary drawn. So this equals to, so 15 divided by 26, we should take 26 days as the working days. Rupees 13,750. So here he has to put in 26 years. So 26, that's equals to rupees 2 lakh rupees 2,06,250. So therefore least among this here is exempted gratuity equals to rupees 2,06,250. Taxable gratuity equals to actual minus exempted. So actual how much? So here actually received here it is 4 lakhs minus rupees 2,06,250, that's equals to 1,93,750 rupees. This is taxable gratuity and which will be included in his income from salary. Thank you.